The sister and business associate of dismissed Bamban Town Mayor Alice Go, who were arrested in Indonesia, arrived in the country on Thursday afternoon. To give us the story, our Chari Abarca joins us live. Chari.
Neil, that's right. Dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Go's sister Sheila Go and her business associate Cassandra Leong are now back in the Philippines. The repatriation came after arresting authorities intercepted them in Indonesia. Earlier, Senator Raffy Tulfo said Sheila and Cassandra were caught at a mall in Indonesia on August 20. Embattled Bamban Mayor Alice Go, however, was not with them at the time of the apprehension. According to Tulfo, the Philippines Bureau of Immigration wrote to the Indonesian Immigration and requested to keep an eye on the scene. On August 20, when Sheila and Cassandra were caught, the Indonesian authorities immediately informed the Philippine Bureau of Immigration about the matter. Neil, it is also important to note that Sheila is among the personalities ordered arrested by the Senate in July. But unlike earlier reports, Sheila will not immediately be detained and taken into custody by the upper chamber. Senate President Cheese Escudero, citing reports from retired General Roberto Ongcan, said pursuant to the guidance of the Department of Justice, Sheila and Cassandra will first be taken into custody by the National Bureau of Investigation. Escudero said the two will be briefed by the NBI. Only thereafter, Neil, that the NBI will coordinate with the Congress regarding the warrants issued against the two. Unlike Sheila, Cassandra does not have an outstanding Senate arrest order against Ong. But she has an existing House of Representatives arrest order, which means that she will also be taken into custody by the lower chamber after being debriefed by the NBI. For his part, Escudero said he has instructed General Ongcan to comply and continue coordinating with the Department of Justice, the National Bureau of Investigation, Bureau of Immigration, and the Philippine National Police for an orderly, peaceful procedure. Back to you, Neil.
Chari, quick question based on that report, no? So you're telling me that sa NBI muna pupunta itong kapatid ni Alice Go, no? And yung kanyang business associate. So, Chari, kailan inaasahan na matransfer sila dito sa Senado? And what will happen once they are transferred to the Senate? And in the case of the sister and sa House of Representatives for for Cassandra Ong.
Yes, sa ngayon wala pa tayong balita kung when exactly madadetain dito si Sheila sa Senado kasi siya yung may existing arrest warrant from the upper chamber. So si Sheila lang yung madadetain dito sa detention facility na nasa likod ko ngayon. Pero nakausap natin si Senate President Cheese Escudero regarding this kanina and most likely hindi daw tonight yung maaaring pagdala ng Senate Sergeant at Arms dito kay Sheila Go. But from the lower chamber side, inaasahan nila na baka within the day, posible daw, na ma-detain si Cassandra Ong sa House of Representatives. Pero sa ngayon, wala pa ring definite na balita ukol dito. Dito naman sa detention facility na nasa likod ko, pinakita na to noon ng SAA or ng Office of Sergeant at Arms sa media, and itong facility nito maayos naman, meron siyang sariling CR, meron siyang sariling bed, tapos in-assure din ng Senate President Cheese Escudero na yung mga madedetain dito, which is kung madala man si Sheila Go within the week or by the end of the week dito sa detention facility, ina-ensure nila yung safety ng ni Sheila Go kasi meron din itong katabi, hindi naman nakikita dito sa kaliwa ko, meron siyang PNP satellite office.
Chari, just a follow-up question doon, once nandiyan na si Sheila Go sa may detention facility ng Senado, are we expecting her to be invited dito sa mga susunod na hearings ng Committee on Women?
For sure, Neil, iimbitahan siya ng Senate Panel on Women kasi isa siya dun sa mga key personalities na iniimbitahan nga para makapagsalita ukol dito sa alleged involvement nila sa Philippine offshore gaming operators.
Okay, babantayan natin ang mga developments pa sa istorya na yan. Maraming salamat, Chari. That's Chari Abarca reporting live from the Senate.